There are more and more millionaires in the world today. It is now the new normal. There are many avenues you can take to become a millionaire. The opportunities are there. You just have to find them. But no matter what, you must build your fortune the right way. You see, the majority of people have one source of income, which is normally their job. However, that one source may be steady income. It's not enough to make you financially wealthy. In fact, most people in this bracket live paycheck to paycheck. So if you want to be upon the millionaire elite, you must know one thing. Millionaires don't have one stream of income. They have multiple income streams that help them generate wealth while living the lifestyle they desire. So let me share with you those 7 income streams. Before I begin, be sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified every time I release a new video. And now, let's begin. The first income stream is earned income. This is the income that you generate from working a regular job, but it can also be from contract work. For instance, freelance writing for another person's blog. You get the idea. Again, if you're working a regular job, this is steady income. However, this source of income is also what you could call active income. Active income requires a lot of your time, which you have a limited amount of. You're also taxed heavily from this income source, usually up to 40%. So the possibility of building wealth from this income stream alone is 0%. That said, earned income is a good starting point. You need steady income while you work towards your dreams. So it's best to work for someone and then after clocking out, work part-time doing something you're passionate about. The second income is profit income. Now this is the income source bracket you want to shoot towards. The source of income comes in the form of selling a product or service to the general public. The purpose of this income stream is to start a business, create a product or service, and sell it for more than the cost of creating it. Services you can sell can come in the form of financial advisory services, interior design for homes, business consulting, and many others. These are a few of what can also be considered active income, because even though you have your own business, you're doing a lot of the work yourself to make money. However, you have the potential to take home a lot of money. One of the reasons is because selling services requires low overhead, meaning you're not paying for inventory, distribution, or shipping. Selling services, however, isn't highly scalable. Selling products, on the other hand, is. However, selling a physical product is where you'll have to pay for inventory and shipping. But if you release a product that sells well, you can purchase a larger inventory from a manufacturer, thus lowering the cost per unit. And again, having a product-based business is scalable. That's because you have a manufacturer, distributors, retailers, and your website doing the heavy lifting for you. Your business can run on autopilot, giving you the ability to focus on expanding your business to new territories. Not only that, but forming a product-based business into a corporation will give you tax breaks, allowing you to use your profits to expand your company further. Now the third source is interest income. This is an income stream where you really get to put some of your hard-earned money to work. This kind of investment usually comes in the form of bonds, mutual funds, and certificates of deposits, or CDs for short. These are long-term investments that allow you to accumulate money through interest over a period of time, usually 5 years or more. This is a method you can also use when investing with a professional in, for example, a real estate deal. You basically loan the money, the real estate investor handles the deal, and once the profits roll in, he gives you a check of what you invested plus interest. That's what's called private lending. What makes interest income so great is that it's a passive income stream. Your money works for you while you're working on your profit income stream. Truly a win-win. Next method of wealth generation is dividend income. With this method, you're investing in company stocks, but not just any stock. You're investing in dividend stocks. There's 2 reasons why this is wonderful for you, the future millionaire. 1, Having dividend stocks makes you a shareholder of a company, thus giving you a return based on the number of shares you own. 2. This is another amazing passive stream of income. Unlike interest income, dividend income can provide you with short-term and long-term gains. The short-term being the dividend income, and long-term being money earned once you sell off your shares. So if you invest in the right companies, you'll see more money from dividend income than you would from interest income. Next is rental income. This is a way you could generate money every month from putting money into an asset. You basically invest your money into a property and then rent it out to tenants. Those tenants pay the rent, you use some of that rent to pay the mortgage, and then you keep the rest. Though it's a great passive income stream, it does require a little extra work on your part. First, this income stream requires a lot of capital up front. Second, real estate is a people business, so you'll be talking to a lot of potential tenants and existing ones. You will have to keep up with the maintenance of the rental property, keep existing tenants happy, and make sure they pay rent on time. But as long as your tenants are paying their rent, your bank account will be seeing that money every month, making you a happy millionaire. Next on the list is capital income. This income stream is very good, as there's the chance of receiving huge financial gains, depending on the investment. Capital gains is what you receive from the sale of an investment, including real estate and stocks. So if you have a rental property, for example, you receive a monthly income from rent. But say you bought the property for $150,000 and within 5 years, the value of the property increases to $200,000. You're looking at a gross profit of $50,000 from just selling the property. Not bad, huh? The same applies to stocks, including dividend stocks. The area you can see the largest capital gains, if done right, is from selling off a profitable business. There are people that have become multimillionaires and even billionaires from selling off their companies. Bill Gates should come to mind. The last income stream is royalty or residual income. If you're looking for passive income that will have you set for a lifetime, this is the one. The benefit of this type of income is once you've put in the hard work now, it will continue making money for you later. You generate this type of income from the creation and selling of digital products, including video training courses, written books that continue to sell, playing roles in movies or commercials, music purchased or streamed through platforms like iTunes, or from YouTube videos that continue to be viewed. These are the few ways this passive income stream can work for you. You can wake up in the morning with money in your bank account from residual and royalties, just from a product you created that's still being consumed by your audience. And again, this is money that you will collect for life. How would you feel if you got paid for the rest of your life for something you created or helped create it now? Well, you can, but you have to create something unique, valuable to your audience, and timeless. Even better is if you create, for example, a fictional novel that then gets turned into a movie, merchandise, and video games. Think George Lucas with the Star Wars franchise. You get the idea now. And that was all 7 income streams. Out of all of them, which income stream sounds the best to you? And which income stream are you planning to add next? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Take care and stay wealthy.